may I present to you this beautiful family, and I would like to request to the Queen, Mommy Beth, and to our King tonight, Daddy Ellie, together with the siblings, 30, Eva, and of course, our birthday girl, give it up to Ellie Beatriz! Come on, everyone, clap your hands! Happy birthday, princess! Let's go, sabay-sabay! Higher! Energy! Come on! Iikot ako! Let's go! Three! Come on!
They know all my money show. I don't ever tell you one way. Yeah, spinning and I can't think.
3, 2, 1! Wait, hey! And up! Sabay-sabay! Let's go! Ikot! Let's go!
Like, you know what it look like, everything lit, all the girls in free. Anybody inside sipping on a good time, you ain't got a risk, they can put it on me. When they wanna go, they don't want my money show. I don't ever get it one way, yeah. Spinning and I get the same way, but
Are you happy? Okay, so I want to say thank you for inviting me here, and I know that you will live a good life because you have a blessed mommy and daddy and siblings, right? So continue to be a good girl, follow your mom and dad, okay? And love your brothers, okay? And at the same time, me and Kuya Jiro love you. You know that? Okay, God bless and happy birthday.
Hello, Ellie. Happy birthday. And first, I just want to thank God for the precious gift that He has given your parents. And you are one of the most wonderful gift your parents. And second, I just want to thank your parents because they chose me to be as one of your ninong, and this is one of the opportunity, and it's my pride and honor. And third, I wish and pray that you will become the girl that you want to be. And as you discover this world, may God protect you always. And I just want you to have your mom's thoughtfulness, sweetness, and the inner soul. And I know that you have your mom's face, a beautiful face. And of course, your dad's pagiging mabait. That's it.
Grabe ka naman ito. Ang hard po naman pagka mabait kay daddy lang. Pag maganda kay mama.
Your dad's man of integrity,
Bumawi.
a very responsible dad, and your dad's humbleness. So have your parents' core value, and I pray that you will be the girl that your parents be proud of. Okay, I love you, and you know that I love you and your family. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Nino.
How are you? Are you ready for your question?
May interview na. Kaloka, may interview session ka na.
Anyway, so long story short, so the first time I met Elise in flesh was when we celebrated her birthday, first birthday, right? Fast forward, now that you're full grown, 7-year-old little girl, and you're so beautiful, so cute, you definitely got your feature from your mom. And you're built from Daddy Ellie. And
Uy, 2 points na ha? Sabihin ko lang, Ninong, sabihin ko lang, si Daddy Ellie po talaga magbabayad ng party ito. So siya po ang dapat nating i-view.
oh yes,
Sorry.
yes. Okay, the face and beauty from Mama. Everything from Daddy and your attitude from me. Okay? Anyway, so I wish you all the best. Your parents are those people that I know to be the kindest, and I hope you will get the trait. Always respect them, all the people, regardless of their age, and I would like you to. Oh my God, I ran out of what I'm gonna say. I was here also yesterday. Anyway, can you blow the candle?
Wala, ay.
Wala pa. Okay. Happy birthday. Can I hug you?
My wish is to have endless joy, exciting adventures, and dreams that come true. May you always surrounded by your good friends, and keep wonderful, sweet, and amazing person you are, like your mommy and daddy.
You. I wish you a peaceful birthday and a happy life. May all your dreams come true. And God bless you. And happy birthday.
Oh, that is so
Hi,
sweet.
Elise. Happy birthday. I still remember when we first saw you. I think that was also your first birthday. And I want you to know that you will always have family with us. And I wish you all the blessings that the Lord could give you. Be a good ate to your brothers. And you will always have us as part of your family. We love you and happy birthday.
Galing daw po kayo mag-host. Ay, oo. Para ko naman ano dyan. Your message for the Ellie, please.
Hey Elise, parang di tayo nagkita kanina. I can't believe you are 7 already. The last time we met, you were only 1 and now you're all grown up. I hope you know how special you are since I flew all the way here just to celebrate with you. Even if my bank account is still recovering from the plane ticket, you are totally worth it. Ang mahal po ng ticket ngayon.
Correct.
Ang Pinas. Uwi na rin po ako bukas. Charot. I hope you grow up to be as kind and loving as your amazing parents, who always show that it means to care for others. Especially your dad. I'm a little biased here. Kasi ano, sister. He is one of the kindest people I know, always loving unconditionally. I wish you all the best that life has to offer, and may all your dreams come true. Be mabait always, okay? You know what mabait means, right? Okay, good. Happy 7th birthday, and your Tinang loves you so much. God bless you.
Can we give a hand to Tita Nina?
She's getting older too, and don't lose the way that you dance around in your PJs, getting ready for it. Don't you ever go, just stay this little. Oh, darling, don't you
Shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, where to go? Say where only you. Tell me, princess, now when did you last wear
Marcelo Brad. Palakpakan naman natin si 30.
a whole new world, a new
Good job
fantasy
naman si 30.
No one to tell us no, where to go. Somewhere only dreaming.
Give a hand to the one and only behind the success of this celebration. Let's give a big round of applause to Daddy Ellie!
Till as old as time, true as it can be.
Ikot ako.
Ito kante.
Somebody does unexpectedly.
Just a little shade. Small to say the least. Over scared. Neither one prepared.
Beauty and
Never just the same. Never a surprise. Never as before. Never just as sure as the sun will rise.
Happy birthday, Apo. Salamat sa Diyos, sinapit ka ng ganitong edad ulit. Kahit hindi mo naintindihan yung sinasabi ko, bahala na yung mga magulang mo, ha? Basta ang maintindihan mo lang, happy birthday. Basta, siyempre, ang hangad ng lahat ng narito, ang hangad ng lola ng mamit daddy mo, maging malakas ka, malusog. Mabuting kalusugan, malakas na katawan, at mahabang buhay. Dalangin ko rin na sana maging mapagmahal ka sa iyong mga magulang at mapagkalinga ka sa iyong mga kapatid. Yan lamang. Happy birthday again.